time because health and fun went hand in hand at the Century Tuna Superbots Run 2010.
Kapuso, summer na, ang init ng panahon. Pero syempre, kailangan maganda pa rin forma natin, di ba? Pag sinabing summer hairstyle, kailangan ba lagi nilang maikli? Aba, yan na alamin natin kay Mr. Lord Ramos, hairstylist of Emphasis Salon and ambassador to Davines, Italy. Good morning, Lord.
Good morning.
Welcome back sa Unang Hirit.
Thank you for always having me here.
Ako naman, our pleasure. Lord, ano ba ang uso sa mga boys ngayon?
Well, if you will notice, no, this is very tapered. It's what you call tapered cutting with overgrown layers. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, ite-texturize natin yung kanyang hair kasi precise na yung gilid. Ayaw naman natin ng sobrang sadsad kasi pag sobrang sadsad yung araw, kapag natutukan yung scalp, nagkakaroon ng dandruff, nagkakaroon ng heat wave na tinatawag sa scalp. So, nababurn.
So, kailangan din pala, medyo kapalan yung hair kasi ang impression lagi, the less the better kasi it's hot. Pero yung pala actually you need it for protection.
Yes. So, what I'm doing right now is I'm just feather texturizing the hair para ang dating niya is a little spiky and at the same time, kapag nag-style siya, mawawala yung thickness na tinatawag. So, I'm texturizing the hair and then layering it para kasi makapal yung hair niya eh. So, needs a little, you know, flowing, free, and what you call, may movement.
Mas adventurous na ba yung mga boys ngayon pagdating sa pag-change ng hairstyle?
Definitely. If you will see the two guys that I have there at the back, they have overgrown color as well in deep brown and mahogany. And then ito, medyo kulot yung hair niya. So, ang ginawa natin sa kanya, no, tinexturize din. Kasi ang plan niya is pahabain ang buhok niya. So, yun yung ginagawa natin ngayon. And at the same time, this one, I'm putting a little fringe.
I didn't realize you can do that with, is it really curly hair or wavy lang?
It's curly, wavy hair, kombinasyon. At makapal pa yung hibla. So, texturizing.
Pwede, ang ganda. Sa girls naman tayo, ayan. Babalikan ka ni Lord. Dito naman tayo sa mga girls. Kailangan ba laging short? Ito, paano kung ayaw magpagupit?
Katulad niya, ayaw niya magpagupit. So, overgrown bob are in for the season. So, if you notice, texture lang din natin yung kanyang hair, no, with a little razor. I'm doing feather strokes underneath. And then what I'm gonna give is full bangs. Kasi kailangan ma-divert yung attention ng tao from, you know, uneven side cuts and stuff. Ang nangyayari, pagka merong isang focus sa mukha, katulad ng gagawin natin, look straight, my love, texture the fringe, nawawala yung attention na, ay, overgrown yung buko, ang pangit, na walang shape. So, ang magiging attention and focus ng kanyang hairstyle will be the fringe. Okay? And if you notice also with my two other girls in front there, I have a pixie hair.
I love her hair.
No, I have a pixie hair there na overgrown. So, alam mo, pagka kasi summer, beach hair ang tawag or beach wear. So, kailangan free-flowing, kailangan fluid yung gupet, soft and textured. And then, pag nahanginan, dapat yung hair mo pag nahanginan. Ooh.
Parang si Miss Longhair, pag nag-beach siya, pag hinanginan, bumubongga yung kanyang beach hair.
Ang kanyang beach-colored hair. So,
last na lang, ano ang mga don'ts this summer?
Okay, hindi na po uso ngayon ang super straight hair. So, hindi na po uso ngayon yun. Kailangan po yung color natin medyo a little lighter from the original color that we have because it needs to, you know, when the sun hits the hair, it has to have a little lighter complexion. Next, for the guys, wag tayong gumamit ng oily materials or products on the scalp.
Alright.
Kasi it burns the scalp, it burns the hair. So, double jeopardy. Ngayon, sa mga babae naman, kailangan po natin sa kanila ang leave-on conditioners and treatment ng mga waxes and stylers. So, yun yung mga kailangan nating ilagay.
Yan ang mga tips ni Lord Ramos, none other than maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
And see you again. At syempre ngayon naman, may jamming kami mamaya, kaya abangan nyo po yan. Magbabalik ang Unang Hirit. Pagupit na ako!